Hello, this is Cara, and I'm here to share another Freebie Friday for August 6th, and it matches the sunflower kit. I've been on the sunflower kit kick. So you have 2 tags, a pocket, a journaling card. It could also be used as a pocket, and then another journaling card, and then some pieces of ephemera here in the corner. If you're interested in getting this freebie, you can go to Cara, Brandon, and Friends on Facebook and you can download it there. All right, I'm going to cut out the 2 tags and I have an idea for our make. I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. I've cut, I've added some cardstock to the back, and I made a sample while I was off camera, and I wanted to show you what I have. So it's an over the page, just a tag so far on this side, and then on the other side it's a scrap pad, and then I added a magnet so that when it goes over the page it will snap closed with the magnet. I have glue all over my fingers. So then on this side of the journal page you would see this, and then you could rip this off to use throughout the journal. And then on this side you have the cute tag that maybe we can add something to. I was thinking maybe make it a pocket, but then you cover up the cute sunflowers. All right, I think I might leave it just like this for now because I think that's super cute. Could add a tab at the top. Let's do that. And then I will show you how I did it. I was looking for my Fabri-Tac. All right. Yeah, cute. I like it. We might do something with the tag, but I like it kind of just like that. All right, let's see. So I have the larger tag off camera. Like I said, I added some cardstock, inked around the edges, and then I made another scrap pad. This one has a book page and some braille pages, coffee stain paper, and then a Tim Holtz paper. And the Tim Holtz paper was long enough that I just folded it over and then put 3 staples in it. So then that one's ready to go. So to combine, or to make it so that these can go over the page, I'm gonna take just a scrap. This is a scrap piece of braille. I'm gonna fold it, and then this will be the hinge that allows you to put it over the page. So I'm gonna put it on the back side of both. So let's go ahead and glue this hinge. And then I'm gonna stick this on. And then if you don't want the corners showing, that's what I did over here, is I trimmed where the tag is. And then, yeah. So you could leave it or you could trim it. This one I'll just leave, but if you didn't want to, you would just trim here, trim, and then trim that. And then you wouldn't see that. All right, so then I'm gonna flip this over. I'm gonna add some glue. And then let's add the scrap pad to this one. Smush, smush. All right, and I like it so that it has a little bit uneven of pages. So I'm just gonna rip this first one and then a little off the second one so you can see the papers behind it. And I kind of like the ripped edges. So now we need to add our magnets. So I'm going to flip that upside down. I have my tube magnets. I think I got these off of Amazon. I'll see if I can find the link for them. It's been a while. But yeah, and they're super strong magnets. And now I thought I had 2 pieces of scrap paper. I'm gonna use this on this side. And I guess we'll use this on this side. All right, so you just need scrap pieces of paper because it's gonna be hidden underneath. If you want, you could do something cute and pretty, but you're really not gonna see it. All right, so on this side, I'm gonna kind of eyeball the center, and then I'm gonna glue my magnet. Smush it down, and then I'm gonna add, whoops, some glue to my scrap piece of paper. Again, you could pick something cute. On this one, I used a scrap piece of the Braille paper and then a piece of the Tim Holtz paper. All right, so then that's glued on. I'm gonna give it just like a second to kind of let it set before I put the magnet on it. There are magnets that have peel and stick on one side, and that makes this even easier. Mine don't have any stick to it, so I have to add the glue. But if you have that, it makes it a whole lot easier, because when you do this, to find out which side is attracted to the other, you would just peel this off and then stick it down. Makes it really, really nice. I am just gonna add a little glue, more so just as a visual to let me know this is the part I need to glue down. And I'm gonna put it on my finger. Oh gosh, Cara, I forgot. You're like, well, what's the point of doing that if you didn't even mark it? Okay, duh. So I'm gonna put it like this, and then I'm going to, ooh, look at, I barely have magnets, so I might have to move this magnet up because my paper is a little bit shorter on the other side. So I'm just gonna add some glue. Looks like a hot mess. I'm gonna glue this back down. And it's all gonna be okay. Give it a second. And let's try this again. Okay. So now, it's still barely, but it should be okay. I'm trying to see if I can get an angle where you can see. So I'm gonna take a pen or pencil, and I just want to put a little mark where the two will line up. So then, and again, I want to mark that this is the side that's going to go down. I guess you could use a marker. And then add some glue and stick it down. And then I'm gonna glue my scrap for the air. There we go. Give that a second. I wonder if you can hear the dog snoring. And there it goes. So now, see, it's snapped closed. Isn't that fun? So then you can put this on your book page, and it stays closed over the page. Pretty cute. Pretty cute. All right, so then I was thinking we could use on this side, maybe make a little collage or add a label. I was kind of thinking this 3 cent would be cute. There it is. Little ink. And then I have this little scrap, so maybe we do something like that. Or we could do it down here. Ooh, I like that. I like it. Put that there. And then like that. And we have 2 over the page tags and scrap pads. Pretty fun. Yeah, so that is my Freebie Friday make for the day. Again, you can go to Cara Brandon and Friends on Facebook if you would like to download the freebie. And I hope you have some wonderful crafting. Have a wonderfully crafty day. Bye-bye.